Okay, how many do you have?
2.
All right, let's see what you can do.
Hang on.
You're good.
Go.
Yep.
Gotta wait just for the right time.
Come on, jump. No, he's getting a little off.
Wait.
He knows where I am. The hoops aren't right. They will be.
He'll get them. Somehow he gets them. I don't know how.
Probably I'm out. I'm gonna have to lift the ball.
He gives the goat right. There you go. Now you got him.
All right, buddy.
Now do a grand finale. Go on your knees.
You've been gone for a minute now.
Do your knees.
Good.